Today I'm going to show it about Minecraft paper craft. This is about the skin. This skin's called Ethyldantium, Stampy Longhead, and Skydos Minecraft. The Minecraft server is good, vintage beef, and settling. Today I will show about the pattern. Let's go into the computer. And then we're going to the Skydos Minecraft. The black is the head, and here's this eyes is look like blind, and this cutting also, and now we're going to print. First, we turn on the printer, and it's starting to printing. The paper is moving, and this is good. This is settling. Printing is sweet, and everything I image. We're ready to cut the pattern. Cut the pattern with the line. Do not fast like this. It is danger. But be careful. This is the head. Here, some things here. And I'm going to fold the white. Fold the white one for I glue. This is the result of the paper craft skin of Minecraft. I hope you enjoy my paper craft. Thanks.